Hey guys, welcome back to part 3. Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see what 2 vehicles I'm saving from this yard. And hey, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. '79-81 Camaro sitting down here. You can see I missed this car last time I was out here. It was the summertime and the leaves on the trees here totally blocked us. I had no idea this was sitting down here. Looks like a 66 Ford LTD fastback, maybe. Interior's nice shape in this here too. Well, 67, 68 Buick Skylark. '74 old Studebaker truck. Plymouth looks like a satellite 4-door. Another Buick Skylark and a '69 Impala by the looks of it. custom. This to be 62, 63 GMC. This truck's in pretty good shape. Mercury 250 cab sitting here. Someone's been shooting at it. Cab and front clip though are in decent shape. Hey guys, so quick update here. The 1965 Impala is not for sale, but I was able to get this. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. I was also able to talk them into the 1970 front clip that was sitting over there earlier. There is the four-door parts car that I can also grab parts from as well. If there's anything that I need that I can use out of that. So my plan for this car is to put the 1970 front clip on it. So I had that combination, and I prefer the 70 front clip with the 1971-72 tail lights. When I do come back to grab this, I'll get a video posted of us grabbing this out of the field. And yeah, we'll get this thing all restored here. Replace all that sheet metal in the back. Any of the bad metal we'll cut and replace with new panels. And yeah, we'll just show you, man, this channel is going to be all about finding vehicles in this condition out in the field. And then restoring them to their former glory, making cool custom cars out of these. That's what I like to do with the vehicles. I'm into full custom vehicles. That's my thing. That's what we're gonna do. So this is 1971 Chevelle. I am picking this up. When I do have more updates on this car, I will load them up to the channel here. This is the first time I'm posting on YouTube. Never done it before, but yeah, it's time to start doing vehicles. Something I love, you know, and turn that passion into a career. Other people are doing it, so why not? I'm going to show people that you can start from nothing. You can have everything you ever wanted if you go for it. So this is it's what this channel is going to be all about: proving people wrong, and starting from the bottom and ending up in the top. So this is it, 1971 Chevelle. And I look forward to working on this for sure. I paint with house of color, so I got some beautiful paint combinations. When I'm seeing something like this is a candy cobalt blue, or even something like a sunset pearl orange with the white rally stripes going up the side, up the hood. But yeah, I don't see this car as this brown car sitting here. Right now, when I see this car, it's completely done. Like, even the candy brandy wine paint job on this is going to look immaculate. There's so many options, so many different combinations to make this thing look incredible. But this is it, guys. I picked up this 1971 Chevelle. When I do get it out of here, I'm going to have uploads on that as well, so stay tuned. So here it is, guys, the 1964 Impala. This is the original reason I came to this guy's yard. This is what I was looking to pick up. So kind of funny story, you know, I came across this car like 10 years ago when I first moved out here to Alberta. And this is the first time that I've really seen the car since I seen it the first time, right? I knew it was sitting here, and I'm like, you know, I got to go back and take a look at this car here. So 10 years later, here it is. I'm going to pick it up. So it's pretty cool. I got a lot of cool, interesting ideas for this car here. So, you know, I can't wait to show you guys what I got planned for it. So, you know, it doesn't look in terrible shape to me, you know, but some people will be seeing stuff like the stuff here on the trunk, for example, right? Some people will see stuff like this on the trunk, and you know how bad it looks, and they'll be like, "Oh, car's too far gone. It's rotten or whatever," right? You know, but even stuff down here, like on this lower quarter panel here, people will see this and they'll be like, "Oh, that looks too rough. It's too far gone." But in reality, you know, they make this whole quarter panel for the car, like the whole thing, right? So, yeah, in my eyes, the car is not in too bad shape. It can definitely be rescued. You know, all the panels for this car are purchasable through Classic Industries or, you know, Eckler Chevrolet. I don't think Impala Bob's is around no more. But there's definitely a lot of sites out there where these cars, you know, the panels can be picked up for sure. So definitely gonna pick this car up. So guys, when I do get this car up out of the field, I'm gonna be sure to bring you guys some more videos of it, loading it up on the trailer, and we'll get to check that out. So guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your comments down below at the end of the video, and stay with me on this journey that I'm about to embark on. For way too long, I've been doing stuff that I don't enjoy. I've been going to jobs that I don't have any passion for. And, hey, that's all going to change, and that's going to change right now. So what I'm going to do is, my plan and my goal is to, work from this 2-car garage that I have to start out with. And then I want to build something as big as Gas Monkey Garage out of it. I want to make a world-renowned restoration shop out of it. I want to be known worldwide. And hey, I'm going to start from a 2-car garage, and I'm going to show people that if you go after the things you want in life, you can achieve them. Because if you don't go after the things you want in life, you're going to have to settle for the things you don't want. So guys, stay with me. As I get these vehicles, I'm going to pull them up out of the ground, get them back into the shop and start restoring them. Because like I was saying, I've been doing stuff way too long that I don't enjoy. I get up every day and I hate going to work. And if you hate going to work, you're doing something you don't love. And if you're doing something you don't love, you're wasting your time. So like I was saying, guys, if you got a talent or something that you have that you absolutely love when you do it, and you're not doing that every single day of your life, maybe you gotta rethink and start, go after, and do the things that you want to do. If there's a shop you want to do, if you're a mechanic and you love rebuilding motors or something like that, but you're doing something else that you don't like, maybe it's time to rebuild motors every day. Hey, maybe it's time to build drag cars every day because that's something you enjoy doing, right? So guys, you'll follow me on the channel here. Like I said, I got that 58 Impala there too that I'm redoing. I've got that 67 Impala convertible at the shop. And I got big goals and big dreams, big aspirations to accomplish the things that I want in life. So hey, welcome to Fully Loaded Customs.